If you are looking for secure cloud storage in 2026, two popular options are Icedrive and pCloud. Both offer file syncing, backups, media streaming, and lifetime plans, but they focus on slightly different users. In this video, we'll quickly compare their features, pricing, security, speed, and overall value to help you decide which one is better for you. Let's get started. Ease of use. Starting with the user experience, both platforms are beginner friendly. Icedrive has a very modern and clean interface. It feels lightweight and simple, especially on desktop and mobile. Navigation is smooth, and the overall design is probably one of the best among cloud storage services. pCloud looks more traditional but offers more advanced features and settings. It may feel slightly more complex at first, but it gives you better control over file management and syncing. So if you want simplicity and a modern design, Icedrive wins here. But if you prefer more advanced functionality, pCloud has the advantage. Storage and pricing. Both services offer monthly plans and lifetime plans. Icedrive is usually cheaper for lifetime storage, which makes it attractive for budget users. pCloud costs more, but it has a stronger reputation and more mature infrastructure. One important difference is encrypted storage. With pCloud, client-side encryption come as a separate paid add-on called pCloud Crypto. Icedrive includes stronger privacy-focused features in its higher tier plans without feeling too complicated. If your main goal is affordable long-term storage, Icedrive is often the better value. But if you want a more established platform with extra reliability, pCloud may justify the higher price. Security and privacy. Both services use strong encryption and secure data centers. However, Icedrive focuses heavily on privacy and zero-knowledge encryption. It also uses the two-fish encryption algorithm, which is less common than standard AES encryption. pCloud also offers excellent security, especially with pCloud Crypto enabled. It has a strong reputation for protecting user files and includes features like file versioning and recovery. For pure privacy focused users, Icedrive feels more security centered, but pCloud offers a more complete balance between security, reliability, and productivity features. Performance and syncing. When it comes to speed and syncing, pCloud is generally more reliable for large file transfers and long term syncing across devices. Its sync system is mature and works well for professional use. Icedrive performs well for normal everyday use, but some users report slower syncing with very large folders or heavy workloads. One unique thing about Icedrive is its virtual drive feature, which lets you access cloud files almost like a local drive without taking much space on your computer. That is very useful for users with limited storage. Overall, for heavy workflows and stability, pCloud has the edge. For lightweight and personal use, Icedrive performs perfectly fine. Extra features. pCloud includes more productivity focused features overall. You get better file versioning, better backup options, media playback features, file sharing tools, collaboration features. Icedrive focuses more on delivering a clean cloud storage experience rather than adding lots of extra tools. So if you mainly want secure storage and backups, Icedrive is enough. But if you want a more complete cloud ecosystem, pCloud offers more functionality. Which one should you choose? Choose Icedrive if you want a modern and simple interface, if you prefer affordable lifetime plans, if privacy is your top priority, if you mainly need personal cloud storage. Choose pCloud if you want more reliable syncing, if you need advanced backup and sharing features, if you plan to use cloud storage professionally, and if you want a more mature and a feature-rich platform. Conclusion and final verdict. At the end of the day, both Icedrive and pCloud are excellent cloud storage services. Icedrive is better for users who want simplicity, privacy, and affordable long-term storage. pCloud is better for users who want or need stronger syncing, extra features, and a more polished overall ecosystem. There is no wrong choice here. It mostly depends on your budget and how you plan to use your cloud storage. And that's all for today's comparison. If you found it helpful and useful, please consider like and subscribe. For more quick tech comparisons, turn on the bell icon to never miss anything. Share this video to your friends and tell me down below in the comments which option will you go for, Icedrive or pCloud, and why. And see you guys in a new video.